we will go to the next part of the lesson today. The topic is sun. The sun. Sun is the source of heat and light to the earth and other planet also. The planets get heat and light because of the sun, and it also for the other planet also. It is the sun is the center of the solar system. We have 8 planets. So, the sun is the center of the solar system. Solar system, we have sun, and along with the 8 planet is called solar system. Sun and 8 planets together called as the solar system. So, our sun is in the center of the solar system, and it is 1.4 million kilometers in diameter. What's this diameter, children? This of is radius, the full line, this is diameter. So, the sun diameter is 1.4 million kilometers, and the gravity of the sun is 28 times more than earth. So, the புவி ஈர்ப்பு தன்மை சன்னோட அந்த gravity is 28 times more than the earth, and it consists of gases like hydrogen gases. The gases present in the sun are helium, oxygen, hydrogen. These are the gases present in the sun, and the heat of the temperature of the earth's surface, temperature of the earth's surface, temperature of earth's surface is 5500 degree Celsius. That is on the surface of the earth's temperature. And if we to get into core temperature is 15.5 million degree Celsius, 5 million degree Celsius. What is the temperature of the core and earth's surface? Earth's surface temperature is 5500 degree Celsius, and inside the core is 15.5 degree million Celsius. Then next, children, it is located 150 million kilometers from earth. So, the earth is sun is 150 million kilometers away from the earth. Then the light of the sun takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach the earth. What it takes, children? It takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach the earth surface. Once again, we will see that the sun is the source of heat and light to the planet earth, and not only for earth and also for the other planets. And sun is the center of the solar system. What is solar system? Consisting of the sun and the 8 planets. So, it is in the center of it, and it is 1.4 million kilometer in diameter. So, I have told you diameter of the sun is 1.4 million kilometers, and it is 28 times more than the earth's gravity. The gravity of the sun is 20 times, 8 times more than the earth. Then what are the gases present in the sun is helium, oxygen and hydrogen. The temperature of the sun around the earth's surface is, that is 5500 degree Celsius, and inside the core is 15.5 million degree Celsius, and it is located in the 150 million kilometers away from the earth, and it takes, the light takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach the earth's surface. Then we will go for the next topic, planet. Our next topic is planets. The word planet is derived from the Greek word planetai, which means wanderers. What's the meaning for wanderers, children? That roaming around, it's always on the moving. That is what is a wanderers. So, planet is a Greek word, means wanderers. The planet does not have their own heat and light, but they are eliminated from the light of the stars like sun. They get the heat from sun. I already told you that is sun is also a one star. So, the planets that doesn't have their own heat and light, they possess the heat from the sun. The earth is a planet that we live in, children. So, there are 8 planets in the solar system. What are they? First one is the Mercury. Second one is Venus. Third one, our planet Earth. Fourth is Mars. And fifth one is the Saturn. Sixth one is the Uranus. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, then fifth one is the Jupiter, sixth one is Saturn, seventh is Uranus, and the last one is Neptune. So, our solar planet system consists of 8 planets, and the first one is Mercury, next is Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And these planets have some special names or nicknames called, for the first one, Speedy, Messenger for Mercury. You can call it as Mercury also, Speedy Messenger. Then Red Planet for Mars. And third one, Jova for Jupiter. This is about our planets, children. Planet, this is the Greek word, we got it from the Greek word planetai, which means wanderers, always roaming here and there, that is wanderers. It never stops, it always revolves, and in that we have 8 planets, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, and they doesn't have their own heat. This is about, we will go for our planet Earth. Earth appears blue because of the two-third of the Earth's surface is covered by water. So that is why it appears blue in colors. Appears blue in colors because of the two-third is surrounded by water. The elements like water, air, heat and light or presence in the earth, presence in the light, presence in the earth which is available for the living things is only on the earth. That is why human beings are able to live on earth. The things which are needed for the human beings to live are water, air, heat and light, and these are present in the atmosphere, earth. That is why it is possible for us to live on the earth. The earth is the third nearest planet to the sun. Earth is the third nearest planet. First this is sun, next is Mercury, the next one is the Venus, and third one is the Earth. So it is the third nearest planet to the sun. It is neither hot or cold. It is neither hot or cold. So these factors makes the living things fit for the earth to grow and live. So these factors, that is because it is neither hot or cold, makes the place earth fit for the living organisms to grow and survive. This is about our planet Earth, and also it is the fifth largest planet in the solar system. It is the fifth largest planet in the solar system, and it appears slightly flat in the slightly flat in the polar areas and bulged at equator. This is slightly flat in the polar areas and bulged at the equator. So that is why the shape is called as the geoid. The shape is called as geoid. Our earth is a geoid, means it is slightly bulged, flat in the top polar areas, and it is bulged in the slightly in the equators. This is what 0 degree latitudes called equators. So this is about our earth, children. Earth appears blue because of the water. 2/3 of its portion is covered with water, and it gets the elements like air, water, heat and light. And this is the third planet nearest to the sun, and neither hot or cold, and that is why human beings or any living organism is able to live in this planet Earth. And it is the fifth largest in the solar system, and it's slightly flat at the tops, and in the middle it's slightly bulged. That is, its shape is called as a revolves around the sun. In the same way, moon revolves around the earth in a fixed spot. it is known as satellite. It is known as the satellite. Satellites are small heavenly bodies revolves around the planets in a fixed orbit. The word satellite is derived from a Latin word. Satellite is derived from Latin word satellus, means attendant. Okay children, so the word satellite is derived from a Latin word satellus, which means attendants. They doesn't have the own heat and light, but it gets the light from the sun which they reflect. In the same way, we have the another satellites that surrounds around the earth, that is called as the man-made satellites that revolves around the earth is known as the artificial satellites. Once again we go for this recap children. That is, like our earth revolves around the sun, the moon also revolves around the earth in a fixed orbit. It is known as the satellite. Its satellites, it's nothing but a small heavenly bodies revolves around the planets in a fixed orbit. Satellites, a word derived from a Latin word satellus, which means attendant. Like this natural satellites, we have also a man-made satellites that also revolves around the sun. It is called as the artificial satellites. So, just quick recap, we have seen today sun, planets, our planet earth, and then natural satellite and man-made satellite. Just you go for the quick recap at home children. I hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.